Is your 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO interior looking tired? This simple shift knob and boot replacement promises to bring back that factory fresh feel, but there's one critical installation step you absolutely cannot skip. We're looking at the ABHOOHBA 6-speed manual T56 shift knob and boot combo, specifically designed for the GTO. This kit covers the LMP1305B knob and the LMP1316 boot, offering a quick aesthetic refresh for the center floor. Right out of the box, the blue color is vibrant. It's a leatherette material, which is standard for many aftermarket replacements, offering a decent feel without the high cost of genuine leather. The blue stitching is the real highlight here, perfectly matching the aggressive, sporty aesthetic of the GTO. It's a quick way to refresh that center console area, especially if your original boot is cracked or the knob markings are worn off. Now, let's talk about the installation reality, because this is where the expert advice comes in. The manufacturer explicitly warns that applying silicone is recommended to keep the knob from spinning on the shifter. This is a huge piece of information. If you skip the silicone, you might end up with a frustratingly loose knob mid-shift, which is the last thing you want when rowing through the gears. It's a minor inconvenience, but necessary for reliable performance. Another key detail for potential buyers: this package does not include the retainer bezel, which is part number LMP1318. You must reuse your existing bezel or source a new one separately. For a complete, hassle-free install, reusing the old bezel is fine, assuming yours is in good shape and hasn't cracked over the years. Once installed correctly, meaning with that recommended silicone, the feel is solid. The 6-speed pattern is clearly marked, and the knob shape is familiar to anyone who loves the T56 transmission. It's a functional, aesthetic upgrade that brings a much-needed pop of color and cleanliness back to the cockpit. Overall, if you need to replace your worn GTO shifter components, this ABHOOHBA kit is a strong contender. Just remember that tube of silicone and be prepared to reuse your bezel. It's a high-impact, low-cost way to revitalize your ride.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.